10 reasons to consume 2 tablespoons every day of coconut oil. Number 1, it can help you lose weight. When it comes to healthy fats that promote weight loss, look no further than coconut oil. Despite being a fat-containing oil, coconut oil is packed with healthy fats, particularly medium-chain fatty acids, renowned for their metabolism-boosting properties. By incorporating coconut oil into your diet, you can enhance energy expenditure and elevate calorie-burning potential. Notably, coconut oil surpasses many other foods in its thermogenic effects. Prioritizing organ health is crucial for effective weight loss, and coconut oil plays a significant role in safeguarding your liver, which, in turn, optimizes thyroid function. Whether you're embarking on your weight loss journey or are already well on your way, including 2 tablespoons of coconut oil in your daily diet is a wise choice. But before we proceed, I encourage you to subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon to stay updated. Number 2, it helps stabilize blood sugar and insulin levels. The remarkable properties of coconut oil extend to its ability to reduce both blood sugar and insulin levels. By facilitating glucose absorption into your cells, coconut oil aids in slowing down the release of insulin in your bloodstream. The presence of healthy fats in coconut oil also contributes to a moderated digestion process, allowing for a consistent and sustained energy supply from the food you consume. In contrast, vegetable oils like corn, canola, and soybean oils contain long-chain fatty acids that impede the efficient absorption of blood sugar by your cells, potentially exacerbating diabetes and insulin resistance. Consequently, healthcare professionals often advise individuals with diabetes to follow low-fat diets. Conversely, coconut oil, rich in medium-chain fatty acids, presents itself as an excellent alternative for diabetic individuals seeking healthier oil options. Number 3, skin health. Coconut oil is widely embraced for its cosmetic benefits, serving as a go-to solution for enhancing the health and appearance of your skin. Studies have revealed its remarkable ability to augment the moisture levels of dry skin, fortifying its hydration and preventing excessive water loss. Additionally, coconut oil acts as a protective shield against various external factors such as germs, pollution, and allergies that can compromise skin health. Notably, a recent study discovered that gently massaging 6 to 8 drops of virgin coconut oil onto your hands before bed offers a superb remedy for combating dryness caused by frequent use of alcohol-based hand sanitizers. Furthermore, coconut oil holds promise in alleviating mild to severe symptoms associated with atopic dermatitis, a chronic skin condition characterized by inflammation and impaired skin barrier function. Number 4, it can help lower your risk of developing heart disease. Among populations that regularly consume coconut oil, the incidence of heart disease is notably lower. A study conducted on individuals in Papua New Guinea, where coconut oil and coconut-based foods are staples, revealed an absence of stroke or heart attack cases among the participants. Similarly, a separate study conducted on Polynesians, who derive over 60% of their total calories from coconut, showcased their excellent cardiovascular health, devoid of any signs of heart disease. This favorable outcome can likely be attributed to the fact that coconut oil does not contribute to arterial damage, as observed with other oils rich in polyunsaturated fatty acids. Instead, serving as a source of healthy fats, coconut oil actively diminishes the risk of developing heart disease and related complications. Number 5, eating 2 tablespoons of coconut oil may help treat candidiasis. Candidiasis, a fungal infection caused by Candida, can lead to severe repercussions if left unaddressed. It can give rise to infections within the circulatory system and various internal organs, including the kidneys, heart, and brain. Furthermore, this fungus has been linked to sleep deprivation, anxiety, stress, and weight gain. Astonishingly, approximately 1 in every 3 individuals in the United States is affected by this condition. Fortunately, coconut oil has exhibited remarkable efficacy against Candida, effectively impeding its further proliferation. By incorporating coconut oil into your daily routine, you can reduce the likelihood of experiencing candidiasis symptoms such as anxiety, stress, and weight gain associated with high blood sugar. Number 6, it may help reduce hunger. Coconut oil contains intriguing properties, particularly its medium-chain triglycerides, which exhibit an appetite-suppressing effect. This can be attributed to their unique metabolic process within the body. When consumed, medium-chain triglycerides in coconut oil undergo conversion into specific molecules called ketones. These ketones can either directly influence the brain's chemical messengers or modulate the levels of hunger-inducing hormones like ghrelin. Consequently, appetite suppression occurs as a result. You may have come across the concept of ketones in relation to ketogenic diets, which are gaining popularity nowadays. By reducing carbohydrate intake and promoting the consumption of healthy fats, ketogenic diets prompt our bodies to rely on stored fats as a primary source of energy. Number 7. Coconut oil has antimicrobial effects. Coconut oil's medium-chain triglycerides possess a notable component called lauric acid, constituting approximately 50% of its composition. Extensive research suggests that lauric acid exhibits inhibitory properties against disease-causing microorganisms, including bacteria, viruses, and fungi. When consumed, the lauric acid present in coconut oil is transformed within the body into a powerful compound called monolaurin, known for its antiviral and antibacterial effects, particularly against Candida. By incorporating 2 tablespoons of coconut oil into your daily diet, you can fortify your immune system and reduce the likelihood of contracting bacterial, viral, or fungal infections. Number 8. Coconut oil is a rich source of antioxidants. Consuming foods and beverages abundant in antioxidants, like coconut oil, can effectively counteract the harmful effects of free radicals, which have the potential to cause significant damage. By incorporating coconut oil into your diet, you can actively reduce the risk of developing a range of chronic illnesses, such as type 2 diabetes, neurodegenerative diseases, and heart disease. The remarkable antioxidant content of coconut oil, including polyphenols, flavonoids, tocopherols, and phytosterols, plays a vital role in mitigating inflammation and safeguarding our organs against the detrimental impact of oxidative stress and free radical-induced harm. Number 9. Reduce the risk of developing neurodegenerative diseases. Alzheimer's disease is the most common form of dementia, characterized by a reduced ability of brain cells to utilize glucose as their energy source. However, coconut oil, rich in medium-chain triglycerides, offers an alternative solution. When these triglycerides are metabolized, they produce ketones that can serve as a backup fuel for the brain cells in the absence of glucose. Remarkably, experts suggest that ketones have the potential to reverse the early stages of Alzheimer's disease. Additionally, some researchers propose that substituting glucose with ketones derived from coconut oil may contribute to a decrease in seizure frequency typically observed in individuals with epilepsy. In fact, ketogenic diets, which often include coconut oil, have long been utilized as a treatment for various conditions, including drug-resistant epilepsy, and have demonstrated effectiveness in reducing the frequency of epileptic seizures. Number 10. Coconut oil is a quick source of energy. When you ingest long-chain triglycerides, the fat molecules in your body are transported through your bloodstream to specific areas like muscles or fat tissue where they are needed. In contrast, medium-chain triglycerides take a different route. They bypass the digestive system and go directly to the liver, where they are rapidly converted into an easily accessible energy source, resembling the way carbohydrates typically provide energy for your body. As a result, medium-chain triglycerides have been utilized in sports nutrition products for quite some time, aiming to offer athletes a readily absorbable and quickly usable energy source. Thank you for watching our video on the 10 reasons to consume 2 tablespoons of coconut oil every day. If you found the information valuable, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more insightful content like this. By subscribing, you'll stay updated on our latest videos on health, wellness, and nutrition. Now, for our next video, we have an exciting topic lined up for you. Click on the next video to watch 10 oils to fight wrinkles and restore youthful skin. Discover the amazing natural oils that can help you achieve glowing and youthful-looking skin. Don't miss out on this valuable information. We'd also love to hear from you in the comments section below. Here's a question for you. Have you ever tried incorporating coconut oil into your daily routine? If so, how has it benefited you? Leave your thoughts and experiences in the comments and let's start a conversation. Thank you once again for watching, liking, subscribing, and being a part of our community. We appreciate your support, and we'll see you in the next video.